Welcome to a new episode of MicroStrategy Insights. In today's show, we're exploring the latest developments surrounding Bitcoin and MicroStrategy. We'll dive into Bitcoin's remarkable rise to a new all-time high, Michael Saylor's key meeting with the Trump administration, and the factors that could dramatically shape MicroStrategy's future. Plus, we'll tackle the crucial question: just how much more Bitcoin will MicroStrategy add to its portfolio? We'll also hear from experts like Jeff Park, who explains why betting against MicroStrategy MSTR is a risky move, and Ben Workman, who breaks down the brilliance of Michael Saylor and the company's groundbreaking strategy. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started. Before we dive in, remember that all opinions shared here are personal and not financial advice. Let's enjoy the conversation and learn together. And to kick things off, we're introducing a new tradition, using candles to represent MicroStrategy's market performance. On days when the stock closes in the green, we'll light a green candle as a symbol of hope. On red days, we'll light a red candle and extinguish it, symbolizing a shift in energy. Here's hoping for a year full of green candles in 2025 as we enter this exciting period. Let's get into the big news. Bitcoin has hit a groundbreaking milestone. Last night, when I went to bed, Bitcoin was just shy of $100,000. Given the hype around Trump's involvement and broader market dynamics, I thought we might see a slight dip. But when I woke up, Bitcoin had surged to $108,000, a brand new all-time high. For anyone who's held through Bitcoin's wild ride, this moment is a reminder of the resilience and belief required in its long-term potential. Now, let's talk about the reality of Bitcoin's journey. It's never a straight path. There will always be fluctuations, but that's part of what makes it so exciting. Bitcoin's volatility is a key aspect of its appeal, and for those who can weather the ups and downs, the rewards can be tremendous. Since it's Moonshot Monday, let's focus on the upcoming catalysts that could drive both Bitcoin and MicroStrategy to new heights. Here are some key events coming up. Today marks the inauguration of the new administration. What kind of impact will this have on Bitcoin and MicroStrategy? We'll soon find out. In just 9 days, the Federal Reserve is holding a meeting that could be a game changer. While the market currently leans hawkish, a shift could reverberate across the markets. And if Trump influences a more favorable outcome, it could be bullish for Bitcoin. In just 11 days, $16.5 billion will be repaid to FTX customers. These funds will likely be reinvested into the markets, boosting market activity significantly. Mark your calendars for 20 days from now. Michael Saylor's presentations are always highly anticipated, and this report will be no exception. Expect plenty of insights and excitement from this event. Bitcoin's acceptance by mainstream institutions is undeniable. As Jeff Park points out, Bitcoin is behaving like a $5 trillion asset, even though it's currently valued at just over $2 trillion. This shift in perspective is crucial for understanding Bitcoin's future, and MicroStrategy is well positioned in this ecosystem. Next, let's dive into MicroStrategy's performance. According to a ballistic model from a respected analyst, MicroStrategy's stock is currently undervalued. Today, it closed at $397, while the model suggests a fair value of $520 based on Bitcoin's recent surge to $109,000. This indicates a potential undervaluation of nearly 24%. While models are merely tools, they provide valuable insight. The bottom line here is that MicroStrategy is a dynamic player with considerable upside potential. The company's bold Bitcoin acquisition strategy continues to set it apart from other firms. An interesting development is Michael Saylor's recent meeting with the Trump administration's entire cabinet. This meeting is significant as it underscores Bitcoin's growing importance in national and global economic strategies. Saylor's ability to explain Bitcoin's transformative potential to influential policymakers could have far-reaching consequences for MicroStrategy and the wider crypto market. MicroStrategy's approach to Bitcoin is guided by a unique philosophy: absolute abundance layered on top of absolute scarcity. This concept encapsulates the genius of converting fiat into Bitcoin, a scarce digital asset with immense potential. By continuously acquiring Bitcoin, MicroStrategy is not just making a strategic investment, it's reshaping how corporations approach capital and value creation. So, how much Bitcoin will MicroStrategy acquire? There are 3 possible scenarios. As Bitcoin prices increase, it may become harder for MicroStrategy to acquire more. However, historical data suggests that when prices rise, the company often increases its purchasing rate. While this could theoretically happen, It seems unlikely as long as fiat currencies exist and Bitcoin remains available on exchanges. MicroStrategy's leadership and shareholders have demonstrated unwavering dedication to their Bitcoin strategy, so this scenario seems highly improbable. Ultimately, the most likely outcome is that MicroStrategy will continue to accumulate Bitcoin as long as it can find willing sellers. As Michael Saylor famously put it, nothing can stop this train. Now, let's hear from Jeff Park, who explains why shorting MicroStrategy is a risky move. Jeff outlines 3 main reasons. MicroStrategy's stock is notoriously volatile, which makes it a dangerous candidate for shorting. Sudden price movements can catch short sellers off guard, leading to significant losses. MicroStrategy has a devoted investor base, similar to the passionate supporters of Tesla. Betting against such a loyal community can be a perilous move. Shorting assets aligned with long-term secular trends is a risky proposition. Bitcoin's institutional adoption is one such trend, and MicroStrategy is right at the forefront. In short, shorting MicroStrategy is like swimming against a powerful current. The company's innovative approach and alignment with Bitcoin's growth make it a formidable force. Ben Workman also offers valuable insights into MicroStrategy's strategy. He highlights Bitcoin's growing institutionalization. It's no longer a niche asset, it's gaining recognition from nations and major financial institutions. MicroStrategy's decision to embrace Bitcoin has set a precedent for other companies to follow. By leveraging Bitcoin's volatility, MicroStrategy has created a unique value proposition. What some see as a risk, Bitcoin's volatility MicroStrategy has turned into an opportunity to generate substantial returns. This forward-thinking mindset has positioned MicroStrategy at the forefront of the digital revolution. Looking ahead, 2025 promises to be a year of massive transformation. As more institutions and nations adopt Bitcoin, the ripple effects will be felt throughout the markets. For MicroStrategy, this means ongoing growth, innovation, and the chance to lead the charge in digital asset accumulation. The key takeaway here is clear: now is the time to act. Staying on the sidelines could mean missing out on groundbreaking opportunities. MicroStrategy's relentless focus and strategic foresight position it as a trailblazer in the rapidly evolving world of digital finance. That wraps up another exciting episode of MicroStrategy Insights. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.